Palba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang tibtib si Yancy na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Yes po, Father.
Yancy, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang tibtib si Rika na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Sino bang mag-aakala na yung taong nakatira sa northern part, matatagpuan niya yung babae na mga kasama niya na galing sa Mindoro? Ang lahat ay plano at biyaya ng Diyos.
Sobrang galing ni Lord Louie. Simula pa lang pala nung pinagtabi niya tayo ng upuan ng college, He was already writing the first page of our story na pala. Lalo na pala niya tayong pagtabihin habang buhay as husband and wife.
Wala na akong mahiling sa Diyos kasi meron akong ikaw. Simple, malaga, higit sa lahat, may takot sa Diyos.
Tanda mo ba yung time na nagpapahinga mo ako? Kahit alam mo, mas pagod ka sa akin. Doon pa lang mapapasabi na ako ng Lord, how do I deserve this person?
Salamat sa pagmamahal na walang kapantay. Dahil sa'yo, mas naging mabuti akong tao. I promise to love you endlessly. I vow to walk with you for the rest of my life.
What fortune lies beyond the stars? Those dazzling heights too vast and cold. I got so high, so far, but I found heaven as love swept low. My heart beating, my soul breathing.
Nay, thank you. Buti na lang pumunta ikaw.
Ayun, salamat sa pag-alaga sa amin at mga sacrifices nyo. Hindi kami lalaking mabait at mabuti kung di dahil sa inyo. Ayun lang, mahal na mahal mo kayo.
What treasure waits within your skies? The gift of freedom gold can't buy. I bought the world and sold my heart.
Tagal nyo.
My heart beating, my soul breathing. I found my life when I laid it down. Upward falling, spirit soaring. I touched the sky when my knees hit the ground.
Hey, 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 hey.
Finally here at your feet again. Everything I am.
Although walang perfect husband at walang perfect wife, sila ang perfecto, ang Diyos na pumili sa inyo upang kayo ay maging isa.
You are my comfort and my calming feel. At pahinga, kahit lagi mo akong inuusok. This is my vow and promise to fulfill it from this day until my last day. I love you.
Here I am, standing in front of you, Not just your classmate, not just your girlfriend, but as your wife. I will love you more and more each day. I am ready to spend the rest of my life loving you. I love you.
When we sit there, my heart beating, my soul breathing, I feel alive. When we get down, I walk for you. Spirits align, I touch the sky. When we sit there, find me here at your feet again. Everything I am, reaching out, I surrender. Come sweep me up in your love again. And my soul will dance on the wings of forever. Upward falling, spirits soaring.
Ikaw ang naging karamay ko sa saya, tungkot, success, or failures.
The